what I've been telling people since I embraced AI about a year and a half ago, I said, listen, if you don't embrace AI, AI is going to eat you alive, just like it did with QuickBooks and accounts. Now, here's the gist of it. Right now, in my profession, in accounting, there are way more businesses than there are accountants that can handle them. There's a shortage of good accountants. Adopt AI, learn it, and then you could even make that another service. You can offer your clients AI setup and training, just like I did with QuickBooks. If you're a coder, okay, probably at the top of the list of professions, jobs that are in danger. Well, if I was a coder, I would be learning how to use AI to make all kinds of cool programs. Okay. So if you're sitting there paralyzed by fear, go back to history.